Well, hey there, and welcome to Global Glimpse. There's something truly special about the water, isn't there? It has a way of calming the soul, of connecting us to something bigger than ourselves. I've always believed that a home isn't just about the four walls you live in, it's about the community you're a part of, the stories that unfold on your doorstep. It's about finding that place where life feels a little more intentional, a little more full. Today, we're exploring 10 of the most beautiful waterfront towns in the United States for the best life. So come along with me. Our first stop brings us to the heart of the Lowcountry, Charleston, South Carolina. Oh, this city just speaks to my soul. You can feel the history in the air here. Spanish moss hanging from ancient oak trees. Every corner reveals another story. Walking the historic district is like stepping back in time. Beautiful, stately homes with grand piazzas, designed for catching the sea breeze. The Battery, the waterfront is simply breathtaking. Grand historic mansions on one side, the vast expanse of the harbor on the other. The culinary scene is incredible. And then there's the hospitality. Genuine warmth the moment you arrive. Charleston feels less like a destination and more like a homecoming. From the warm embrace of the South, we travel way up the coast to the rugged, breathtaking beauty of Bar Harbor, Maine. The air is crisp and clean, scented with pine and the salty tang of the North Atlantic. The landscape is dramatic and powerful. The downtown is nestled right on Frenchman Bay. It's a classic New England coastal town, with restaurants serving up the freshest lobster you'll ever taste. What makes Bar Harbor extraordinary is Acadia National Park. You can wake up, grab a coffee, and within minutes be hiking up a mountain trail for incredible sunrise views. Life here seems to be lived outdoors. It's about taking the boat out for whale watching, and finding beauty in every season. For anyone whose spirit is renewed by mountains and sea, Bar Harbor offers adventure in your own backyard. Next, we find ourselves in Newport, Rhode Island. If Charleston is about southern grace, Newport is about Gilded Age grandeur and a passionate love for the sea. Walking the cliff walk with crashing waves on one side and architectural marvels on the other is unforgettable. It's a testament to incredible craftsmanship and artistry. Newport is a sailor's paradise. This is the former home of the America's Cup, and that legacy of sailing is woven into the town's fabric. The downtown area is buzzing with life. You can enjoy a fantastic meal watching boats come and go as the sun sets. There's a sophisticated yet relaxed atmosphere. Newport has this beautiful balance. You can spend the morning touring a magnificent estate and the afternoon learning to sail. It's for those who want to build a life in a community that is as elegant as it is adventurous. Now we're heading west, to a hillside town that feels plucked from the Mediterranean coast and set down on San Francisco Bay. This is Sausalito, California. There's an artistic, free-spirited soul here that's magnetic. The first thing that strikes you is the incredible California light that reflects off the water and makes everything sparkle. And then there are the houseboats. This makes Sausalito truly one of a kind. There's an entire community living on the water in floating homes, from funky bohemian creations to stunning architectural designs. Bridgeway runs along the waterfront, offering jaw-dropping views of the San Francisco skyline and the Golden Gate Bridge. It's lined with wonderful art galleries and waterfront restaurants. People here truly savor life. It's a slower, more intentional pace. Living in Sausalito would be about embracing creativity and beauty in everyday life, waking up to gentle rocking of water, having one of the world's most iconic views as your daily backdrop. We're heading to the heart of the Midwest, to Traverse City, Michigan, on the beautiful turquoise waters of Grand Traverse Bay. People call this the Third Coast, and when you see these vast freshwater seas and sandy beaches, you understand why. The water has this incredible Caribbean-like color. The beaches are perfect for long walks and soaking up summer sun. Unlike the ocean, the water is fresh and calm, giving it a peaceful, family-friendly feeling. The town is surrounded by lush cherry orchards and vineyards. In spring, the landscape is blanketed in white cherry blossoms, and summer brings the National Cherry Festival. This connection to agriculture gives wonderful farm-to-table culture. The downtown is picture-perfect. Front Street is lined with historic buildings housing independent shops, cozy cafes, and the State Theater. It feels like the heart of the community. Traverse City offers a four-seasons lifestyle. Summer is about the water, fall brings breathtaking colors, winter transforms into a snowy wonderland, and spring brings incredible renewal. It offers waterfront beauty with down-to-earth Midwestern sensibility. Back to the East Coast, to Annapolis, Maryland, the sailing capital of the United States nestled on Chesapeake Bay. A city that lives and breathes the water. The city revolves around water. Ego Alley, a constant parade of beautiful boats. You can grab ice cream and watch the world go by. The skyline is dominated by the State House Dome and Naval Academy campus. The academy gives Annapolis its powerful character. Midshipmen in crisp uniforms walking through town. The historic district is a treasure. Narrow brick streets and 18th century homes. It feels like a living museum, but it's a vibrant, active community. Sailing is a way of life. Wednesday night races fill the bay with sails. Living here means embracing life on the Chesapeake. For anyone who loves history and has passion for sailing, it's hard to imagine a more perfect place to call home. Our journey takes us to a hidden gem on North Carolina's coast, brimming with southern charm and laid-back coastal vibe. This is Beaufort. It's one of the oldest towns in North Carolina. It feels authentic, a real working waterfront town with rich history of pirates and seafarers. It has wonderful, unassuming beauty that wins you over. The heart is its waterfront, a beautiful boardwalk along Taylor's Creek. This is where the town comes to life. You can sit on swings facing the water and watch boats drift by. Just across the creek is Carrot Island, where you can often see wild horses grazing peacefully on the shore. It's just magical. The historic downtown is delightful. Streets shaded by ancient live oaks, beautiful coastal cottages and grander sea captains' houses. There's a quiet, peaceful quality that's so restorative. It's a place that might not be the most famous on the coast, but for those who discover it, Beaufort has charm that's impossible to resist. Back to the Midwest, to a place that's been a beloved retreat for generations. This is Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. While it may not be on an ocean, the crystal-clear, spring-fed lake is the heart and soul of this community. The lake is 9 miles long and incredibly clear. The Geneva Lake Shore Path, a 21-mile footpath winding around the entire lake, passing through backyards of incredible historic estates. These estates are magnificent, built in late 19th and early 20th centuries as summer homes for wealthy Chicago families. You can see them from classic boat tours where guides share fascinating family stories. The town is charming and lively. It has classic resort town feel, bustling with summer visitors, but it's also a real town with strong year-round community. Unlike some waterfront towns, Lake Geneva embraces all 4 seasons. Living here would be about embracing lake-centered lifestyle. Summers spent boating and swimming, winters ice skating and enjoying snowy landscape. It's a place that feels both elegant and down-to-earth, a classic American lake town offering wonderful quality of life. Our journey takes us to the Pacific Northwest, to a Victorian seaport on the Olympic Peninsula. This is Port Townsend, Washington. It has a strong, independent spirit and stunning natural setting where Puget Sound meets the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Port Townsend has one of the most incredible collections of preserved Victorian architecture in the country. While dreams of becoming the largest West Coast harbor didn't happen, it left beautiful, ornate brick buildings and stately homes. Walking the National Historic Landmark downtown feels like stepping onto a perfectly preserved movie set. There's a thriving arts community. It attracts creative people, writers, artists, musicians, and craftspeople. The Wooden Boat Festival is a world-renowned event celebrating the art and craft of wooden boat building. There's real focus on handmade, artisanal goods. The natural beauty is awe-inspiring. Fort Worden State Park on the town's edge offers historic batteries, beautiful beaches, and miles of trails. You can watch for whales, comb the beach for sea glass, or take in panoramic views. It's a perfect haven for anyone with an artistic soul and love for the wild beauty of the Pacific Northwest. For our final stop, we're heading to a place that proves you don't need an ocean for spectacular waterfront life. Welcome to Sandpoint, Idaho, a jewel nestled between 3 mountain ranges on the shores of Lake Pendorai. Lake Pendorai is immense, over 43 miles long and more than 1,000 feet deep. Crystal clear water framed by forested mountains. The scale is humbling. In summer, the lake is the center of life. Boating, sailing, fishing, swimming. City Beach is right in town. A few miles from downtown is Schweitzer Mountain Resort. Skiing and snowboarding with panoramic lake views. In summer it becomes a hub for mountain biking and hiking. Year-round world-class recreation. Sandpoint's downtown is walkable and charming. The festival at Sandpoint, an outdoor summer concert series right on the lakeshore. There's a pioneering, independent spirit here. Living here means fully embracing the outdoors in every season. Morning paddles on glassy lake, afternoon mountain hikes, winter on ski slopes. For anyone whose heart belongs in mountains but still longs for water, Sandpoint offers the absolute best of both worlds. And so, our journey comes to an end. From the historic grace of the South to the rugged beauty of the Pacific Northwest and all the incredible places between, each town has its own unique story. It's a powerful reminder that home is so much more than a house. It's a feeling of belonging, a sense of peace, and a deep connection to community. I hope this trip has sparked wanderlust in you, made you dream about the kind of place where your story could unfold. Perhaps you saw a town that spoke to your heart, a place you could imagine waking up in every morning. That's the real beauty of travel. It opens our eyes to new possibilities and helps us understand what we're truly looking for in life. What matters is finding that place that feels right, that nurtures your spirit and inspires you to live fully. Thank you for coming along on this journey. It means the world to share these beautiful places with you. Which of these waterfront towns was your favorite? Or is there a special place you love that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. If you're looking for more inspiration for your next adventure, be sure to subscribe to Global Glimpse. Until next time, keep searching for the places that make you feel at home.